Hi everyone, let's see an example for pre-order, in-order and post-order with shortcut. Generally, if they are asking for to construct a pre-order for the given tree, we will follow the formula. Visiting the node, then left side visit, then right side visit recursively. Just see that normal process. First, we are going to take visit the node, so we will get the value 1. Then we will go for moving to the left side. Then first step is again visiting the process, visiting the node, that is 2. Then second step, that is visiting to the left side. Then first step, that is visiting 4. Then second step, nothing in the second step. Then third step, nothing in the right side. As all these 3 are completed, I will move back. Then 1 and 2 are already completed, move for third one. Right side is nothing. So I will come back. All 3 are completed, I will move back. Here only 1 and 2 are completed, so I will go for third one, that is right side. Here first statement, that is visiting, so I will get the value 3. Then second statement, left side, nothing. Then third statement, right side. In right side again first statement, that is visiting. Then second statement, nothing. Third statement, nothing. All are completed, come back. All are completed, come back, come back. All are completed, will stop the process. This is the corresponding pre-order for the given tree. Simple shortcut here is, we are going to visit every node for the first time and print the data. Whenever you visit a node for the first time, we will print directly. We will start traversing from the root node. We are visiting for the first time. 1. We are visiting for the first time. We are visiting for the first time. These are all the dummy nodes. Dummy nodes, no need to consider. First time. This is for first time. Traversing. First time only printing. First time. That's it. So when I visited for the first time, I printed directly. Okay. Next, take in order. In order, we are going to first traverse to the left side, then visit, then right side. Left side is first one. First one. We will move for left side. We will move for left side. We will move for left side. Left side is nothing. Then we will go for second statement, that is visiting. Visiting means printing. Then third statement, right side, nothing. All are completed, I will move back. Second statement, visiting. Third statement, right side, nothing. Then all are completed, I will move back. Then second statement, that is 1. Then third statement, right side. Then first statement, left side, nothing. Second statement, printing 3. Then third statement, moving to the right side. Then again first statement. First statement is what? Left side, nothing. Second statement, printing. Third statement, right side, nothing. All 3 are completed, I will move back. All 3 are completed, I will move back. All 3 are completed, I will stop the process. This is my corresponding in order for the given tree. Let's see the shortcut. Shortcut is, whenever you are visiting a node for the second time, print the data. This is for first time, first time, first time. Dummy node, I am touching the node for second time. Touching the node for the second time. So I will print the data. Then I am touching the second node for the second time. This is first time, this is second time. 2. Dummy node I won't consider. See here, first time completed, second time. First time completed, second time. First time completed, second time touching. Yes. So this is my corresponding in order for the given tree that I am printing using second time traversing. Yes. Let's see post order. Post order is visiting left side recursively, right side, then only visit the first left side. Here first left side. Here also first left side. Left side nothing, will stop. Then second statement, right side nothing, will stop. Then we'll take third one. Third one is what? Visiting. Visiting is printing 4. All are completed, I will move back. Then second statement, moving to the right side, nothing. Full stop. Then third statement, printing. All are completed, move back. Second statement, moving to the right side. First statement, moving to the left side, nothing. Second statement, moving to the right side. Then here first statement, moving to the left side. Then nothing. Second statement, moving to the right side, nothing. Then third statement, printing. 5. All are completed. We will move to the previous step, that is third statement, printing. 3. All are completed. I will move back to the first statement, that is third statement, printing. So this is the corresponding post-order traverse for the given tree. Let's see shortcut technique for this one. Whenever you are moving, visiting for the node for third time, we will print the data. That is simply reference post-order. I am visiting for the first time, visiting for the first time, visiting for the first time, visiting for the second time, visiting for third time. Just see, visiting for third time. So I will print 4. Visiting for second time, visiting for third time, this one, third time, printing. Visiting for second time, visiting for first time, visiting for second time, visiting for first time, visiting for second time. Now visiting for third time, visiting for third time. Now visiting for first time. All are completed. So this is my corresponding post-order technique. Just simple logic. To get pre-order, we will visit for printing the data by traversing for the first time. To get in order, print the data while traversing second time. To get the post order, print the data while traversing third time.